Obviously, you gotta chop up the avocados and the tomatoes. Next, we gotta squeeze that lime. And I'm gonna show you a trick with the jalapenos. Oh, what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now? Gonna put it in the blender. Shoot. Come on. Add our little jalapeno lime mix to the rest of it. Oh, it's gonna be spicy. Then I gotta stir it up. I can't stir and hold the phone at the same time. Hold on a second, let me just finish this. Boom, donezo. I don't have any real chips, so I'm gonna use a cucumber chip. Let's try this out. There we go, there we go. I'm kind of scared because I think it's gonna be really spicy. Let's see. That's good. I don't taste the spice yet. My bet's gonna hit me in a second. I can probably use a little salt and pepper. I also like to add a little bit of garlic powder to mine. You can use spices to taste however you want. That's my quick and dirty recipe for a spicy guacamole. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this as well as fun and quick workouts that are also effective, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell so you get notified every time a video comes out. I'll see you in the next one.